Hi student, this is Anju Fogat and today I am discussing about the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Students, we have learned in earlier classes about the metals and non-metals. What are the metals? They are hard, stiff, sonorous, lustrous, and non-metals are brittle and soft in nature. So here we are discussing some chemical properties of metals and non-metals. We know that when metal react with oxygen or the air, they produces metal oxides. What are metal oxides like? If I react with sodium with oxygen, it will produce sodium oxide, NaO. We know that all metals react with oxygen and produces metal oxides. Metal oxides are basic in nature. Basic in nature means they react with acid and they produce salt and water. And some of the metal oxides are amphoteric in nature, like aluminium oxide, Al2O3. When react with HCl, it will produce AlCl3, aluminium chloride plus 3H2. Now, this aluminium oxide also react with sodium hydroxide, that is base. It also produces 2 sodium aluminium oxide. Sodium aluminate. This is called sodium aluminate. Sometimes this question is asked in CBSE question paper that metal oxides are acidic in nature. Write down some example. Or metal oxides are amphoteric in nature. Write down some example. This may be like some metal oxide X react with HCl and also with NaOH. So you have to write down these reactions. One more example is Zn. ZnO, zinc oxide. It reacts with HCl and it also produces ZnCl2 plus H2O. So here we come to know that metal oxides are basic in nature and they react with acid to produce salt and water. Some of the metal oxides are amphoteric in nature. They react with both acid and base. That is why they are called amphoteric oxides. Non-metal oxides are acidic in nature, like carbon. Carbon react with carbon react with oxygen. It produces carbon dioxide. So CO2. It is acidic in nature. Like sodium react with O2. It also like